Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox this very kit that I purchased from Michaels. It was available only online from Diamond Art, powered by Diamond Dots. I've been looking at this kit for a long time. Two reasons why I was not purchasing it was one, because it was kind of expensive, but I bought it on sale for $21. And the other thing is that as you can see, it is stained glass, right? Like stained glass genre. And I believe that stained glass should be diamond painted with crystals only. And I really wanted to purchase a crystalline kit like this. And finally, I saw a crystalline kit completed. And to tell you the truth, I did not like it. It lacked resolution and detalization. So then I decided to go ahead, purchase this kit, and replace a few colors with crystals. So let's open the contents and see how the canvas and the drills look inside. Oh my god, I didn't really expect it to be so tiny. I mean, I knew that the size is pretty small. It is 11 by 14 inches. That is tiny. Yet, look how detailed it looks. Amazing. Amazing definition. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna look even more detailed when completed. Wonderful. I really love it. Wow. I'm really very impressed just by the imprint, by detalization. I would never think that the kit of such a size would look that detailed. Really nice. So let's have a closer look at the canvas itself. It is a fabric woven polyester canvas, just like any Diamond Dots is. It has like a continuation of the design imprint. Here, do you see over here? Like the frame kind of, which is not diamond painted. Now, this kit is a full round drill crystal round drill kit. It contains 39 colors, and as far as I understand, all of them are regular plastic drills, regular resin drills. The imprint, the symbol imprint, I mean, is super clear, very well recognizable. The majority of the symbols are what? The letters of the alphabet, some numbers, and yeah, pretty recognizable symbols such as a dot, a percentage sign, and things like this. I really love it. Okay, this is it. And what else I like is the legends that are conveniently located on both sides. That's great, because now I'm working on the kit that has only one legend, and it's not really very comfortable to look at the symbols. Okay, now let's look at the drills. Yes, all 39 colors are really very bright, beautiful colors, but not a single AB, unfortunately. So, most likely I will replace some of the colors, not all, but some of them with crystals and with the AB diamonds. Now, let's look at them more closely. Oops, this color. I would think this is white, but it is not. It's kind of like white greenish or super light green. Blue, beige. I might replace beige color with AB. I have some. Blue. I have blue, AB blue, and a lot of blue sparklers. So I might also replace them. At least, maybe the sky. The moon, definitely. The light in the windows, yeah, most likely I will make it with ABs. Maybe I will even do them pink, yellow. Not sure yet. I'll have to think about it. Red, green, Yeah, a lot of colors. I really like the variety of the colors, and who would think that such a tiny design would have that many colors? 39. I have a 40 by 50 centimeters kit that I showed you in a previous video. It's Fields of Dreams by Diamond Dots, the girl with a horse. That one has 39 colors, and it's pretty, well, it's not big, 40 by 50 centimeters, but in comparison to this one, it is. And look, now this kit also contains as many colors, although it is like twice smaller than that. Nice. I also have a lot of gray ABs. I might substitute these colors, the resin ones, with the AB. And I have also a lot of lilac and purple ones. I have neon lilac. Yeah, and I know that it looks really very beautiful. And I also have yellow AB, yellow sparklers, so that's how it looks. So I'm really very impressed with this kit. And I will leave a link in the description box below in case if you also like this kit and you would like to purchase it. And in my next video, we will open another kit from the same company, Leisure Arts. This one. It's called Street Car. I didn't say strip club. I said a street cap. Street car. Yeah. When I lived in Russia, when I was very young, super young, I came to United States in my early 20s. So when I was little in Russia, those street cars were really very popular. And as far as I understand, this is a holiday edition. As long as this one, I actually really like Diamond Art holiday editions. It's not the first time I'm buying from them. I diamond painted an angel, I diamond painted Santa, and I really loved it. So in any case, I haven't, by the way, let you know that the name of this design is Gingerbread House. So in any case, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.